Hello friends, in this video we are going to understand about if function in Excel. Before that we need to understand about logical test. What is logical test? Basically logical test can be applied with the help of logical operators or conditional operators. There are four types of logical operators in Excel. One is greater than, less than, equals to, and not equals to. We can represent greater than with this symbol, less than with this symbol, equals to with this symbol, not equals to with this symbol. I will explain with this example. Here there is a student called Nandini. She has scored 75 in Kannada marks. For example, let's assume 35 is the minimum marks for passing. So how I can apply a logical test here? I can use equals is this marks is greater than 35. It says that false. I'm sorry, not 75, 35. It says true. Why it says true? Because in Excel, whenever you apply a logical operator or a conditional operator, you will get two values. One is true, another one is false. If I copy this formula down, you can see here it's not met the criteria. The criteria is it should be above 35. That is a criteria. It's not met. That is the reason it's getting false. Here also, because you can see here it is 35 only, still it says that false because above 35 means 36. Okay, if I change the value to 36, I'll get it. Let me redo it. So to avoid this, you can use is equals to operator here. What it's do? It says that greater than 35 or equals to 35. If I copy this formula down, you can see here it's became true value. So this is how logical test works. So let me explain with the if function for this. Let me do it here. If function starts with if with an open bracket. When you open the bracket, you can see here the syntax of the formula. First it's asked for logical test. You know logical test is the marks should be greater than or equals to 35. That is our logical test. After that you have to put on comma. Then it's asked for in case if the value is true, what you wanna display here or what you wanna show here. So I want to show as a pass. Double quote close. Why I'm using double quote? Because in Excel, whenever you type text in a formula, you have to use the double quote, comma. What in case of false? Double quote, it should be a fail. Close the bracket and enter. Can you see this? Because this statement is true, that is the reason it has given the output true value. If you copy this formula down, so here you will get fail because this is not met the statement. I hope you like the video, you understood it. If you like the video, please like it. For more videos, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye. See you in the next video.